So guys, in previous video we have seen this dates for list, which we have used with the wfirst tool. So it contains some dates. You can see the format, year and the month and the date. So you can see our the word list are from the 2020. So within the 2020 different months and different dates. So now we are going to create this dates for list using the Python. So first I want to say year is equals to 2020. So I don't want to change this year. If you want to generate previous year's word list, you can loop over that. So I will show you that one also. I will say res is equals to normal empty string. So res stands for result. So now what we're going to do is we are going to loop for I in range of, so number of months, 12 months 1 to 13, because this is exclusive. The range function 1 is inclusive and 13 is exclusive, so it will range loop over 1 to 12. Now what I want to do is I can say new variable month is equals to str of I. So upon every month I am going to create 32 days, 31 days. So for every month I am going to create 31 word list. So generally we give the range for j in range of, so number of days starting from day 1 to 32 days. So because this 31 will be included in our list, so 32 is exclusive, so this range from 1 to 31. You might ask that some months may have only 30 days, not 31 days. So you can also create some extra word list like 31 day. So February does not have 30 days. So if you just send the request, obviously you get error 404 not 4. So just requesting one more request is not a big thing. So that's why we will create 31 days for all 12 months. Let's say day is equals to and string of j. So why we are converting into the string means we need to append to this res variable, which is a string. So we are going to say res plus is equals to, and we are going to join this year and the month and the day. So let's say year plus month and the day, because it's the format the word list has been created, year, month and the day. So you can also see. So now after all looping over this, I can just print out the content of res variable. So we will see what we have done here. First we are looping from 1 to 12 months, and each month we are adding 30 days. So let's go and run this. So we have got this format. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I want to add the slash n, that is a new line. So let's go and run this. Now we have got a decent output. You can see here 2020. Oh, we did not. So okay, it's just added first time 2020 is the month, and the G1 is the month and 1 is the day. So it did not add 01, but anyway you can see first month 18, first month 20, and etc. You can see here up to 12 months. So you can write the output to the file. Let's say f is equals to open of let's say dates.txt, and I am going to open with the read write format, so that if there is no dates.txt text file, this program will create one for us, f.write of res. Now after the writing we need to close this file descriptor, f.close. So let's go ahead and run this. Value must have exactly one of read write append mode. So you can say write mode. So the file has been successfully written. Let me refresh this. Okay, I don't know where it has been created the file, so let's give the absolute path. So this is the absolute path. Let's go ahead and run this. So we have got the dates.txt file. So you can see all our lists. So this is the from try hack me. It has only 11 and 12 months, so only those 2 months, but we have created for all the months. So that's how you create a word list using the Python. It's very simple. Once you understood the logic and what you want to change the contents of this word list. So you can also loop over this year and you can create the 2019 2018 as well. You can just create another loop and create a variable year and say you need to loop backwards, like from 2020 to 2014 and comma -1 in the range function. So it will loop backwards.